The West Indies women suffered a 53-run defeat against India women in their second ODI in Antigua today. Set 192 runs to win, the Caribbean ladies were bowled out for 138. Shemaine Campbell top scored for the hosts with 39, while Jamaican Stephanie Taylor made 20. Earlier, India batting first recovered from 17 for 2 to post 191 for 6 from their 50 overs. Poonam Raut top scored for the Indians with 77, while Harmanpreet Kaur scored 46 and Mithali Raj 40. Afi Fletcher ended with 2 for 32 for the Windies, while Alia Alain had 2 for 38. Meanwhile, Jamaican Chanel Henry has been withdrawn from the Windies squad for the ODI against India, for the third ODI against India that should be, after being treated for a concussion. The 24-year-old suffered a head injury during Friday's one-run win over the visitors in Antigua. The all-rounder threw herself after the ball on the edge of the boundary and struck her head on the advertising boards. A Cricket West Indies release this morning said Henry will be out for at least 7 days due to the ICC concussion protocol, ruling her out of the final ODI on Wednesday. Henry will be replaced by Bajan Haley Matthews, who served an 8-match suspension for an undisclosed infraction. And uncapped seamer Kenisha Isaac has been called up to replace injured opener Brittany Cooper. Cooper, who did not play the first ODI, suffered a bruised shin after being struck with a ball. Isaac represented Trinidad and Tobago in CWI's Women's Championship and the T20 Blaze in 2017 and 2018.